Hello kids! Welcome! In this video, let's learn household items in English. Let's learn home basics in English. Door, window, chair, fan, light, clock, key, switch, socket, curtains, mat, door handle, mirror, lamp, shelf, hanger, shoe rack, laundry basket, trash bin, doorbell, extension cord. Let's learn furniture items in English. Chair, table, sofa, bed, cupboard, desk, bookshelf, stool, dressing table, wardrobe. Let's learn kitchen items in English. Spoon, fork, knife, plate, bowl, cup, glass, pot, pan, cutting board, spatula, ladle, kettle, toaster, blender, microwave, refrigerator, bottle, tongs. Let's learn clothing items in English. T-shirt, pants, jacket, shorts, socks, cap, hat, gloves, scarf, belt, tie, slippers, bed sheet, towel, pillow, blanket. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tap the bell icon for more fun videos.